This time we are going to make some snowdrops. It's a lovely flower that is small but very beautiful, and is very common in this season in January, February. As you can see, I have started, and basically in all the flowers is only straight stitches, and the secret is only to keep the volume in them. Rather, if you want to make it with 3 or 2 petals, basically you have to keep the volume. I will make another so you can see. And I'm not using any pattern, any drawing at all. And normally I don't use them. I just start doing my ribbon embroidery, having in mind or even in front of me a picture of nature. If I took the picture, it's even better. If you go to my website, you will see some comparisons that I have made with nature, and then I recreated the same picture but with my ribbons, and it's the way it works for me. But it's absolutely good if you are starting in this and you prefer to use a pattern. It's just perfect. Once you have the stitch done, then you come back to the top where you started in the center, and then from there you are going to do the rest of the stitches. I will show you now how to do this part of the flower, and like it's supposed this in the back of the rest of the flowers, you do like this, going in the back of the petals of the other flower. Just hold. You can use a ribbon or a thread and calculate, and calculating the height. Another thing I will add is the center of the flower is a green ribbon, in this case a very short stitch, also straight, and it's going to be in the center or in the root of the flower where all the petals come out. And of course we are going to add some leaves. The Japanese stitch that you can see in another of my videos. I will use also this normal cotton to hold in place like this. Just a stitch is enough. If you really liked this tutorial, and I ask you please to give a thumb up, and also subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. I hope you can use this for your projects. Thank you for watching.